Hello everyone, it's Kimberly with Sassy Fro. If you'd like to see how I achieved this perm rod set look, keep watching. So I'm starting this perm rod set out on freshly shampooed and deep conditioned hair. I also applied a leave-in conditioner to my hair. My hair is damp. So I'm sectioning my hair, or I sectioned my hair into 4 large sections. And then you're going to take a small section of hair and part it. The parts don't have to be perfect. So the key to a good perm rod set is you want to make sure the hair is thoroughly wet, and you also want to make sure that you use a mousse or a gel of your choice. I prefer mousse. So you want to make sure you get that mousse in the hair, part it into smaller sections, and then you're going to take that section of hair and you're going to make sure that it's detangled, especially the ends. Now you're going to take that hair and you're going to pull it down tight from the root. You're going to take the rod and you're going to wrap the hair tightly around the rod. You're just going to keep wrapping it around. Pay close attention to the ends. You want to make sure the ends are smooth around the rod. Make sure you pull it down tight at the root, and then secure the rod. Now you're going to repeat the same step again. So you want to detangle it. I like to use a Denman brush. You're going to pull the hair down tight. You're going to take that rod and you're going to wrap the hair around very tightly. And make sure you're pulling down at the root, and make sure you smooth that end around the rod. You're going to roll it up. Make sure it's tight and secure the end. And you're going to repeat that step over and over again. So for this perm rod set, I used probably about 35 perm rods, and it took me about an hour for me to rod my whole hair up. So once again, you see how I'm making sure the hair is tight, pulled down tight from the root, smoothing the hair around the rod, the end, then rolling it up, the remainder, and then clipping it in place and making sure it's tight. So I'm going to speed up the video and I'm going to let you watch the rest.
Sunshine, I've been waiting. Sunshine, why you playing with my head all the time? You go way out of line. Sunshine, don't keep me waiting. Show me affection, attention, and care. Losing the tension, and baby, I swear I give you my tomorrow, forever and now. I'll never bring you sorrow, so don't let me down. I'll chase away your shadows, away from the crowd. I give you my tomorrow, forever now. Spotlight from my cell phone, sounds like it's your ringtone. I get chills when you call, wanna give you my heart. So I might talk all night long. Show me affection, attention, and care. Losing the tension, and baby, I swear I'll give you my tomorrow, forever now. I'll never bring you sorrow, so don't let me down. I'll chase away your shadows, away from the crowd. I give you my tomorrow, forever now.